Good morning, students. We will continue with the numerical session. Problem number 2.6. I am just reading out and I will also go on writing down on the board. H2S is toxic gas with rotten smell. It is used for qualitative analysis in laboratory. If the solubility of H2S in water at STP is 0.195 molar, that means M is given as 0.195 at STP. The meaning of this is 0.195 mole of H2S is dissolved in 1 kilogram of water. So 1 kilogram of water implies it is 1000 gram of water. Calculate Henry's law constant. So Henry's law constant, that is Kh, is equal to how much? Now here Henry's law constant is related with pressure of a gas, as P of gas, here it is to be considered as P of H2S is equal to Kh multiplied with chi of H2S. This is our formula by which we can calculate Kh, which implies that Kh is equal to P of H2S upon chi of H2S. Now chi of H2S is not given in the sum, but its solubility is given. And from its solubility we have come to know that this many mole of H2S is dissolved. Mass of water is also given, means we have to predict it. So we will first calculate N1, that is number of mole of water. N1 is equal to 1000 upon molar mass of water, that is 18. So N1 is equal to 5.55 mole. N2 is given in the sum as 0.195 mole. So chi of H2S will be equal to N2 upon N1 plus N2, which is equal to 0.195 upon 0.195 plus 55.55, and this answer comes out to be 0.0035. This is chi of H2S, the denominator we got. Numerator P of H2S, it is not given directly, but they have said that it is at STP. So for STP condition, P is substituted as 0.987 bar. We will substitute this. So final answer will be Kh is equal to 0.987 upon 0.0035. Both this term is substituted. So Kh answer is in bar because we substituted P in bar. So Kh answer will be 282 bar. Let us go to the next sum now. Next sum is also based on Henry's law constant. Sum number 2.7. Henry's law constant for CO2 in water is 1.67 into 10 raised to 8 Pascal. So Kh for CO2 is given as 1.67 into 10 raised to 8 Pascal at 298 Kelvin. So temperature is 298. Calculate the quantity of CO2, that is mass of CO2 is equal to how much in 500 ml of soda water, 500 ml of solution. So V is equal to 500 ml. When packed under 2.5 atmosphere CO2 pressure, So pressure of CO2 is equal to 2.5 atmosphere at 298 Kelvin. So the first thing we will be doing is we have observed that unit of pressure is different. Here it is given in Pascal, here it is given in atmosphere. So we will convert this atmosphere into Pascal because kH is given in Pascal. So 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.01325 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Therefore 2.5 atmosphere is equal to 2.5 into 1.01325 into 10 raised to 5. The answer comes out to be, I have already calculated it, answer is 2.533 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Thus we have made unit of pressure equal for kH and pressure of CO2. Next is our same formula, that P of CO2 is equal to chi of CO2 into kH. Now kH is already given, P is also given. So first we will calculate chi2 from this. Okay, so chi2 will be equal to P of CO2 upon kH, which is equal to 2.533 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 1.67 into 10 raised to 8. When you solve this, your chi2 will be equal to 1.517 into 10 raised to minus 3. Now chi2 by formula is equal to N2 divided by N1 plus N2. N2 is for CO2 and N1 is for water. Here water is taken 500 ml and density of water is 1 gram per ml. So mass of water taken is also 500 gram. We will take it as 500 gram. So number of mole of water, that is N2 is equal to 500 upon 18, which is half of 55.55, that is 27.18. Now chi2 answer we got as 1.517 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to N2 divided by N1, that is number of mole of water, we got as 27.18 plus N2. You solve this mathematically and you will get value of N2 as some number, that is number of mole of CO2 gas, and I have calculated, solved, and its answer is 0.0420. But my final answer I require is W of CO2. So W of CO2 is equal to N2 into molar mass of CO2, which is equal to 0.0420 into 44, which comes out to be 1.85 gram. Thus, we reach up to our final answer and we'll do next sum in next video.